Hello guys, it's your boy Slim Shady, and today I'm going to show you how to make money on your mobile phone. Let's get it.
You should take it slow.
The first app I want to show you is called Current.us. Yes, Current.us. And this app is literally going to pay you just for listening to music. It says I can earn rewards while I'm running. Yeah, you can earn rewards while you're running, while you're working, while you're sleeping. This app literally pays you just to listen to music. That's all. And it's available for both Android and iOS. Yeah, it says spend your points on in-app features or gift cards to your favorites. Play your favorite music, and you go down. It says search and play from 100,000 plus radio stations. Earn points by playing your favorite music. You can play any type of music you want: hip hop, gospel, R&B, any type of music you want. Spend your points on your favorite brands, and it says start earning. And the bonus is it works for every single country. It's not just available for the US or Canada. It works for every country. So you just go up here and click on download. Then you select your app store. Is it iOS for the App Store and Google Play for Android. So I'm using Android, so I'm going to go to Google Play. So this is how it looks like. So earn cash and money rewards, current music screen. So guys, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show another bonus way of making at least $50 in a single month. So yeah, let's get it. This app is called Current.us. So let's check some of the reviews. So it has a 4.4 rating on Google Play. I enjoyed the large variety of stations available, and I believe that having the ability to listen to music that suits my mood as it changes is fantastic. The fact that talk radio, comedy, news, and sports are available through this app, in addition to the large selection of music genres, makes it my favorite. Yes, so you can see the reviews are very good. So it's called Current.us. So let's go there and read there. Earn cash, yes, real cash rewards, and get paid money and gift cards, bro. Get Current free music app and earn money by listening to music. So it's make cash by listening to music, get paid cash to give us your real opinion through service, earn cash by trying free apps and games with watching short videos, and gift cards, so on and so on and so on. You can make money by doing different things apart from listening to music, but anytime you listen to music, the points stack up. And guys, the good thing about this app is you can record the music. Okay, you can record the music, go to bed and play the music. That's all, and you are going to earn money. And now the bonus app, I'm going to show you the bonus app. The bonus app is called Cash Karma. Yes, Cash Karma. So go on to Google and type in Cash Karma. Yes, Cash Karma. Go to the home page and boom, yeah, there you go. So Cash Karma, free cash and gift cards. So this app is going to pay you every time you log into the app. So 300 points, that's equivalent to $3, guys. So earn rewards by completing service and more. The only reward app that lets you earn rewards even if you don't qualify for the service. Install here and get 300 points for free. Get 300 points for free. Yes, and get extra bonuses when you earn achievement badges. Increase your reward level each time you earn any badges. So it has different levels: level 1, level 2, level 3. Each level adds 12.5 bonus to each level that you get. So how good is it, guys? So if you are making $100 and move on to level 2, so $100, 12.5 bonus. So calculate that, do the math. So get Cash Karma. So it's available for both iOS and Google Play Store. So you go down here and put in your number, then text me the app, and you can download the app. Or you can go down to Google Play Store on your Android phone and download the app, guys, from Google Play Store. So Slim Shady, I thank you for staying to the end of this video. Leave a like in the description and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.